There is a motorcycle. It has become a complete off-road patch after the continuous rains for the past 4-5 days. So in this season, generally this area everyone cultivates ragi, and post this they will go with groundnut. So they have to depend only on rainwater. We're going to just ride from our house to the main road. It is going to be a village end road. 2-3 villages will be crossing down and reaching to the main road. So there are two ways. One, we can go through this one, which is a normal tar road which connects to the main road, and this one is a shortcut, only accessible by two-wheelers. It is bit kind of a off-roading patch, so I like it a lot. I used to take only this road if I don't have a top box, but today for this clip I'm going through this, because with the top box going through such roads is not much recommended. So let's roll. Not recommended to stand on this slush. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Not that good. Come on, my shoes are gone for this time. It started to rain at 10:30 and stopped at around 5 in the morning. Wrong decision to take this track now, because it is down both the sides. If I lose the balance, my bike and me both will be either in the lake or on the ground here. ಅಯ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮುಂಚೆಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಎಳಿತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. So if we would have taken the right, which I showed earlier, would have come up in this tar road, but we took the off-road patch. Even that was exciting and good. So now vehicles will go up. So this is the closest town to us. Not a town, a big village might be. So we get all small needed things here. In case if we don't get this here, we have to go another say 6 kilometers to procure things, and that is how it is. So initially, as I said, first few days it was like bit weird, because in city we get everything so close at 5-10 minutes time, but here for everything we have to go a bit, stretch a bit of ourselves to access everything. That is fine, we get used to it, but the vibe, the nature, the living, it's very good to experience it. More than living, it turns out to be experience day on day. Yeah, I hope I can end the video here. We'll try to catch up in another video. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, and you're always welcome. So until we meet next time, be safe, take care, and see ya.